Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Nens, and today we're going to be doing a hair review slash hair tutorial on how I got it to look like this, you know, like I tried. So I'm just going to go straight into the basic hair specification and the hair tutorial, and at the end of the video I'll give you more of an in-depth look into the specification. This is how the hair looks when it's freshly washed. It is body wave hair, so it's got quite a lot of waves in it when it's freshly washed. So inside the wig there are 3 clips in the front, 2 on the side and 1 in the front, and at the bottom there is another clip, and right beside the clips are 2 straps that you can adjust the wig to either be smaller or bigger. So yeah, and oh, this is where you actually attach the headband at the back to secure it. But yeah. So like mentioned in the later part of this video, I did have to add additional tracks, so I'm just showing you how it looks on the inside because of that. Not much has changed, but you can just see a few thread in there. So yeah, that's just how it looks inside the wig cap. So this is how it looks on my head. I'm just going to tighten it up. Usually I just double knot it. I don't actually use the Velcro part because it doesn't feel as secure on my head compared to other headband wigs, but I just like to double knot it anyway. I just like this wig feeling extra secure on my head, so that's why it's taken me a lot longer to place the headband part on my head. So the headband is actually quite thick, so you can actually fold it over, but I half mine so that I can have more of my edges out, and then I can also kind of cover that bump just behind there as well. I'm also going to use the John Frieda hair serum. This hair serum is the best. Like, if you want your frizzes to disappear, use it. I got mine from Savers for £1.99, but you can get it from Superdrug. Normally I like to blow dry my hair just so that I can get all the kinks out. So yeah, that's what I'm doing here. Quite self-explanatory. So I am just parting my hair in two, well, in the up part, the half up and the half down part. Feel confident. I'm just using my other mirror here, but once I feel confident in the parting, I just secure it with a headband or hairband and clip it up so that I can get into the straightening or the bumping of my bottom half. So what I like to do is I like to straighten it a bit, and then as I go towards the end, I just, you know, like slightly curve my wrist so that, you know, I'm giving that kind of bump at the end. I'm not gonna lie, this is my first attempt on this side, and normally this side gives me a lot of trouble, so I mean, you can just ignore this part for now, but yeah. So here I just like to brush out the ends so that they kind of like flow in together a bit more. And then when I find that whenever I brush it out, it does tend to look a lot better than how it initially looks when it's just curled. Okay, this is my favorite side because it gave what it was supposed to give. Okay, you guys are going to see how like it just did what I wanted it to do. So let's see the magic that happens on this side. Look how beautiful it is. Just look how beautiful it came. Even I was surprised. Even I was surprised. Like, oh my god, that side of my head is amazing. So as you guys can see, I'm reattempting the other side. I basically had 3 attempts at this before I actually perfected it. But yeah, it normally happens. I just have to repeat a side more than once and then I get what I need. So I am going to do the top part and it's pretty much the same thing. I just feel like the top part is even easier because there's less hair and it's just more precise. So yeah, it's pretty much that. I used the L'Oreal hairspray. I used the strong one just to set the hairstyle, and there we go. And when I get really gassed, I do a TikTok dance because I don't know, I just do it when I'm just proper gassed. So how did I do? You know what? This is one of my favorite hairstyles to do. I decided to invest in headband wigs during the second lockdown. When did I buy it? I bought it the first week of March and I got it the second week of March, so it was really quick shipping and I got it through DHL. I just thought because my pixie was growing out and basically new growth was growing out and I wasn't able to style it, I just thought I may as well, you know, try my best to look good whilst I'm in the house, because I was just so tired of walking around the house with my hair looking like I don't know, like I wish I could say that only my family saw me like that, but no, my friends would see me on FaceTime looking a mess. But I decided that, you know what, that's just, it shouldn't be my brand and I shouldn't do it. So I invested in a couple of headband wigs, and this is the first one I'm going to review. So this one was from Ali Julia. I'm not too sure, now I'm looking at the website, it's not actually showing me like Ali Julia, but it is from Ali Julia. I bought 20 inches body wave. Now guys, I'm not gonna lie, when I got it, it wasn't giving me 20 inches, and I don't know whether I'm just off with my measurements, but when I ordered another wig and it was 22 inches, it was so much longer. So I don't know to be honest with you, I don't feel like this is 20 inches. I don't really mind that it's not 20 inches. I'm not gonna cry about it, but I don't think it's 20 inches. As for the density, when it did come, it was quite thin, like quite thin. I'll see if I can insert a picture of me with the hair, because I did actually take quite a bit of pictures of it. And I mean, it wasn't bad, but it wasn't what I expected. I kind of wanted some thickness to it. When I did message the seller, I mean, they were nice about it. They said that their hair was 150% density, and they compared it to 180% density, saying that it was obviously thinner. But online it doesn't give you the option to buy either 150 or 180. So, and secondly, I have bought 150 wigs before and they have been thicker, but again, I didn't really mind. I just bought one other bundle from my local hair shop and just sewed in a couple of tracks, so I got more of a thicker feel. I should have kind of shown you the sewn in tracks in the like in the part of the video where I was showing you the wig and whatever. I don't know what to call that segment, but I showed you. It cost me £63.16. However, because of Brexit, they added £12.63 to my order, bringing it up to £75.80. If you're a supporter of Brexit, this is not the channel to be. This is it, and I've really been enjoying this wig. Sometimes I wear it up, sometimes I actually just wear it down and just like re-curl and bump the ends. Oh, I forgot to say it's Malaysian. It's not Brazilian, it's Malaysian, but I don't know if that really matters. Honestly, if you want something quick to put on, I promise you, someone like me, I'm so useless. I am actually so useless with my wigs, so useless. I try, but I am useless. But I will say with these wigs, it's so easy. Like, I don't feel like it's a task to do. And I feel like if you're one of those people that you have to wake up early to go to work, or if you want to go to the gym and you don't want to sweat out your frontal during the week, you know, you can literally just opt for a headband wig. I genuinely feel like it's the best of every evil. Like, it's literally just, all you need to do is slick your hair back, or if you have cane rolls, leave it in there. Put a wig cap on if you want to, it's optional. Do your edges, that is also optional, because you can bring it to the front. I just prefer to have my edges out, but it is so easy, and I wish I had gotten into headband wigs earlier. I did actually hear that they started to push out headband wigs due to the whole lack of lace scandal, but I don't know, apparently it's been around via like half wigs and stuff like that, but they just decided to add a headband. But guys, like, and I mean, they gave me 2 headbands, but I didn't really like them. So I mean, I've got a lot of headbands, so you know, this one is from Primark, £3, get into it. But yeah, so honestly guys, like, this is the headband wig. If you haven't invested in one, what are you doing? Invest in one. I'll put all the links and the specifications down below. But for me, that's all I have for you guys today. Please thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Please do not forget to like, comment and subscribe, and if you share this video, obviously it helps too. But yeah, until the next video, bye bye.